A sustainable infrastructure matters to us all. The future of our planet and life depends on it. Our customers challenge the norm and drive environmental change. And we're right there with them, supporting a shift that doesn't just benefit the planet, but also the people doing the work. Because a silent and particle-free work environment improves people's quality of life. Our mobile power solution is designed to make energy consumption circular and recycle all critical raw materials. All components are kept in circulation and replaced as specifications and requirements change. It's reliable, it's simple, and it helps reduce your emissions. And you're secured with a system that consistently delivers the exact amount of energy needed. Infrastructure matters to us all. That's why we're in it together.